All right, welcome in. Creative Crypto here. Well, what do we have here? Looks like DRIPX did exactly as predicted. The sheep were once again led to the slaughter by a high-praised dev team that supposedly has done great things in the past and are super trustworthy. But what happened, guys? I told you what was going to happen in my first video. Let's look at the wreckage and see what we have here with DRIPX. So right now, if you were going to do a 8-day miner, the lowest amount, you're actually losing money. You're losing a lot of money, okay? Let's see what happened with the staking, because that's what everybody was telling me in my first video. Oh, everybody's just going to stake it. You're going to make a ton of more money staking it. So let's check out the staking payouts, guys, and see what's going on. We got one payout yesterday at an 8-day cycle, made $6. My oh my, what happened here? This got drained, just like I predicted in my video. Some people said this wouldn't be affected. I thought maybe there was a chance this was going to be separate, but no. This got drained just as well. 0, 0, 0. Okay, you're looking at pennies on the dollar here. And I tried to warn you guys. I tried to warn you guys that this was going to happen. And of course, a lot of people didn't want to believe me, but this is what you get. Now your staking has made you nothing. And if you stake your miners, you're going to make nothing. So you come over here, my staking is worth 7 cents and I put in $20. Okay, I was able to pull out $6 yesterday. So I'm down on that. Come over here to the buy and burn. This was supposed to save everybody. This is what I forgot to talk about in the first video because I wasn't aware of this buy and burn. It hasn't even been activated. So what are they doing with this? Nothing has been activated here. So is it not working correctly? Did they mess something up? I thought this buy and burn was supposed to come in and save the price and everything was supposed to be okay because we have the buy and burn funds. Well, where is the buy and burn funds? They haven't been used. Are they waiting to use them and pump this price up? Nothing really is going to save this, guys, at this point. Okay, they can pump it up all they want, but this is literally the first hour of the miners being released. We still have 23 hours to go for the first day, and this is just day one. We have a lot more time to go here. And why is somebody going to come in here and get into a miner when you're realistically not going to see much return back, okay, if any at all? So, you know, the long-term ones, yes, there is still some profit there, but it's not looking good, guys. So look at my miner here, this 279 period. Okay, it's still saying it's going to pay out 1,000. I'll be lucky if I get $5 out of this. So just overall, not looking good. So let's dive into the wreckage, guys, and see what went down. As you can see, this is when the first sellers started coming in. Okay, the same wallet here. They dumped $48,000 worth, $28,000, $17,000. Notice, same wallet ending in 4F9. So who's doing this, guys? Who's doing this? It wouldn't be the price dev team, would it? Of course it would, guys. Come on. Who do you think is making money off of this? Not you, not the average Joe investor that got in on day one. You can't even make money on this. This was a setup from the start, loaded liquidity for the devs to pocket, and pretty soon they're going to pocket this buy and burn funds as well. They're just figuring out a way to do it. That's why they're waiting. Because once this gets activated, they're going to find a way to drain that just the same. If they even activate it. Maybe there's an issue with activating it and they don't even know what they're doing. But either way, guys, this is not looking good. I tried to warn you guys. You know, I tried to be a voice of reason here in the crypto space. Got a lot of hate and pushback for it. But you know what? That's okay. I can deal with that because I want to be the voice of reason to help the average person that maybe decided, you know what? I'm not going to get into DRIPX because I saw that video. And that is a great thing because now you didn't get wrecked like I did. And a lot of people that got in this on day one absolutely are getting wrecked. Okay, there's no way to sugarcoat this. There's no way to put the wool over your eyes and spin this in a positive light because I know some YouTubers are going to try to do that. You know, the bartertowns of the world, the Stunted Breezes of the world, they're going to try to tell you this is okay. This is all a plan. We have a utility for this and that. But they don't, guys. They have nothing. They have a price that has plummeted, and I really just don't see any type of recovery for this because it was flawed from the start. You know, this type of structure is interesting, I'll tell you that, but the math that they did, just cloning the titanx, didn't really do any type of variation or tweaks to these payouts, these ROI payouts. They really don't know what they're doing. They just know how to clone contracts. That's what this dev team does. They come around and they take other contracts and clone them and do a few tweaks, but nothing that really makes it original. And if you look at their past projects, they really never make money. The one that's been doing okay is Pulse Drip. The faucet's hanging in there. Okay, the garden has been drained. So the Pulse garden has been drained, and I'm sure it was the same team that drained it. And hopefully the faucet can hold up. But other than that, guys, there's really nothing that I see here that people are up in arms about this dev team. These are just the greatest guys and so trustworthy. I even saw a video from Stunna Breezy today saying that he thinks the Warren dev team should be on the trusted list. Are you out of your mind? What could possibly make you think that? Did you not see the proof on the blockchain that they were dumping their bags while offering a bond promotion to people on the Telegram? You know, I just don't understand how some people can have such the pull and influence in this space, but they're leading you to the slaughter every time. So hopefully this is an eye-opener for you guys to really take a second look at these projects and not just jump in because somebody's talking about it on YouTube. I know I need to do better at that myself because I did get in on day one. I got into the miner, I bought some DRIPX, I put it in the staking, and I'm going to take a fat loss on this all the way around. So that's really it, guys. I just wanted to come on here and show you the aftermath of day 8, which is technically day 9, because the way it works with the miners is it has to complete the full day. So even though we got the payouts for the staking on day 8 yesterday, the miners didn't kick in until 24 hours later. So there's still a long way to go here and a long way down. Okay, the liquidity is at 26,000. So it's been drained, guys. We come over here to the top traders. This is a good thing to look at. So this person didn't buy any and sold $121,000 worth. So how did that happen? These are things you have to look into. This is the wallet I was telling you about, 84F9. This is the guy who came in and sold 8 miners and drained the whole liquidity pool. So who is that? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Okay, some of these other ones. You notice a lot of these trends when they bought in, these were the early buyers. Back here, okay, people made a ton of money, but these were the insiders. Okay, 2 transactions. You notice a lot of these. 2 transactions, bought in, sold. Look at this, 100K profit. This guy made a 62K profit on miners. This one transaction. Bought in, made a 10x. Okay, these are all insiders. These aren't real people that are being able to make this money. And this is the con that these devs are doing to you guys. And I hope you guys can start to realize this and see through this in the future, because they're going to keep doing this over and over and over again until there's no money left in the system, and they'll move on to other things, change their identities to other things, act like they're a new dev team, and keep doing it over and over and over again. So I really hope this is an eye-opener for most people now in crypto. You know, the new people, they probably didn't see this coming. They were probably fooled. They probably thought they were going to get this dashboard money. This was a rude awakening for them and a good learning experience to really research and look into these things beforehand, and follow YouTubers who are willing to risk their reputation to call out these projects before this stuff happens, like myself. I was trying to warn you guys, got a lot of hate for it, got a lot of pushback, but where are those haters now? I'd love to see you guys in the comments. Tell me why I'm wrong again. Tell me why this is going to be saved this time. How is it going to be saved? Oh, the buy and burn is going to come in and save this? The buy and burn that hasn't even been triggered yet, that supposedly was supposed to be triggered? What's going on, guys? I'm sure they have a reason for this. I'm sure they're going to come up with some explanation and tell me that everything's going to be saved and we're all going to make a ton of money with this. But you know what? The proof is in the pudding, the proof is on the blockchain, and the proof is in the charts. And this is done. This is over. DRIPX, I can kiss my miner goodbye, my 279-day miner. This is not going to return anything, and I'll be surprised if I even see $1 from that. So guys, that's really it. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. I hate to be the doom and gloom here, but I have to keep it real with you guys. And I hope some people listened to my first video when I shared this and told you guys that this is definitely something that has a warning sign, some red flags, and not to put a lot of money into this thing. Hopefully I was able to save at least one person. That's really the only reason why I do this. There's other positives to look at. There's other positives in crypto right now, such as airdrops. That's what I'm doing. I'm an airdrop hunter, and this is what I'm doing for this year. Airdrop hunting and real DeFi projects to try to make some money here in crypto in 2024. So guys, that's really it. I don't want to beat a dead horse here because it's just, there's nothing else to say. So I hope you guys didn't get wrecked. I hope this is a learning experience for you guys out there. And I hope next time you think twice before jumping in with this same dev team and the same YouTubers promoting it, and don't lose your money. So I hope you guys are having a great day besides the people here that got wrecked with DRIPX. Try to stay positive if you were one of those people, and use this as a learning experience to improve your process to get better next time. So until the next time, we will talk again. Take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.